We are in Hawaii trying Porky's. Oink, 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 oink. We have the drink, passion orange. We have 2 items, Kahlua pork grilled cheese, pork with rice. This place's specialty is their shaved pork, so I'm really excited. Prefer double mac, no rice. The rice is jasmine rice. This has an aromatic flavor. This looks crazy, look at this. You have a cheese crust, you got pork, grilled cheese, pineapple. Woo! It's like sweet pork grilled cheese, which is so unique. Do a bite with sauce. The sauce is like a pineapple Hawaiian. Definitely need to add it. I'll give this one a thumbs up. Over a 9. It's pretty good. I'm eating with my family, so some of the food items are painted already. This is the behind the scenes. All right, let's try it. Oh, wow. The pork is really good. It's tender, soft, juicy. What I find the most interesting about this whole thing is that they use jasmine rice. They're $18 with drink each. If you're in the area, you give it a try. I'll put the address right here.